Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to clean up your product page? This video you will learn how to remove reviews from your WooCommerce product pages in just few clicks and steps. With this easy guide, you will get rid of them instantly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, we need to determine a couple of things. The first thing that I need to determine it is basically if you are using the WooCommerce reviews or not. In case you are using WooCommerce reviews, then this is the part where you have to configure it within WooCommerce, which we will talk about it in this video, of course. The second is basically if you are using a plugin that is external from WooCommerce but adds reviews. So for example, here you can find widgets for Google reviews. There is like a bunch of options that are basically, for example, here there is the WooCommerce reviews, photo reviews for WooCommerce. In case you are using something that is external than WooCommerce, then the first option, the first solution that comes to mind is basically deleting that specific plugin. Deleting that specific plugin will cause you to basically get rid of it, and eventually you will have the reviews not on the website anymore. Now, what if it was from WooCommerce? What should we do in this case? Well, as you can see here, we have this article that explains it all for us. So this article will be short. They will show you the easiest way to hide product reviews in your store. No matter your reason behind it, let's disable WooCommerce reviews. Now, of course, it's really matter the reason, since you know you need to accept the products and like the transparency with your customers. So if the reason behind the deleting the reviews just to hide the bad comments, I mean that's not something that is ethical and legal. You need always to have your comments on and basically published to anyone to see it, so people can have like transparency when they get a product. They will need to understand if it will be coming in a bad like conditions. It will not, like the product in picture doesn't seem like it is in the real life. So there is a lot of things and reasons that are not legal and ethical that can cause your website to actually get shut down. So make sure that you prevent those reasons. But if the reason was like something like, let's say you don't have enough reviews and it looks bad, maybe the review widget doesn't really fit your website, then yeah, I can agree with you. That's something that you will be interested in, which is basically removing or hiding the reviews instead. That's something I totally agree. Now in this video, we're going to follow this. So first of all, we have the fastest way to disable WooCommerce reviews. So simply you have to go to WooCommerce, then settings, products, then general, and disable WooCommerce reviews, and this will remove product reviews entirely from your store. As you can see right here, reviews, enable product reviews, show verified owner label on custom reviews, enable star rating on reviews. So these are things that you might be interested in deleting. Now there is another thing, which is basically, as you can see here, there are a few settings if you decide to allow reviews. For example, for verified owners without stars, after disabling reviews, let's see the product page. Here, as you can see in the catalog review in WooCommerce shop page, it is possible to hide reviews for some products but show them for the rest. Yes, it is very much possible, as you can see here, how to disable reviews per product. So once you go to a product, click on the product itself. So just click on it and this will open for you. As you can see, this window will open. It has quick edit and it has a couple of options such as the title, slug, date, password, product page, tags, etc. What you are interested in this page is basically this area, which is the enable reviews section. So all you need to do is pretty easy. Click and check this box and you will be good to go. So just by unchecking this box, you will be disabling the reviews for this specific product. Again, do not use it for illegal uses. This is only for legal users. So here you can disable stars in WooCommerce in case you don't like the stars rating. So you can go to WooCommerce settings, product general, or you would like to have delete reviews for the product to leave stars for other products. When a customer wants to remove a review, that option would be appropriate. Here you might also disable WooCommerce reviews for a certain product when adding creating. So when you are creating products in the creation process, you might be able to enable reviews or disabling them depending on what you want exactly. So we don't know why you'd like to remove products reviews, but look, you know the answer now. So it's very easy. So it's really easy, and you can literally just manage your reviews if you want. You can delete the reviews. I mean, if you did have like a bad review and you felt like it's unfair, maybe let's say that you had like a hater, or I don't know, he was like seeking for a refund and he left a bad review on your product. Of course, this can cause a lot of problems for you and for your store reputation. That is why you would like always to have basically like the reviews deleted. This will basically fix the rating of the products. It will not decrease the intention of people who want to buy it because of that specific comments or review. And basically you will keep like the transparency with your client. Since this product is not bad, it's the client bad, he wants to get a refund, he wants to scam the shop owner. That is why he did this. This is why we always try to prevent it from happening. Also, there is another way to actually delete the reviews section, which is basically like going here. Let me just visit site. Let's say, for example, this is the review section. All right. So what I would normally do, click here, inspect, and basically let's customize first. Click on customize, and then click on inspect. Choose the review section. Let's say, for example, that the review section is this one, about this. So what I would usually do, simply hover it. This will open this element style. Here I would simply go here, I think. Let me just go right here, display, none. As you can see, it has been deleted. So simply now all you need to do is to copy it, additional CSS, and paste it right over here. Click on publish so you can publish the edit, and just like that you have like the review is there, but in the visual, in the front end of the site, it is not like visible. It is hidden within your site. So this is some trick that you can use in case you couldn't really remove the reviews, you were stuck with them. Yeah, this is 100% something that you could use. You might also like use it on the specific comment of that person and edit it. So this is something good that you could use. And yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.